Hello mga ka-spacetime! Ang question natin ngayon is, why is the sky blue? Ang sagot is, because of Rayleigh scattering. So ano ang Rayleigh scattering? If a molecule of gas gets hit by light from many different wavelengths, most of it goes through. But if a ray of light has the same wavelength as the diameter of the gas molecule, it bounces off in a random direction. But our atmosphere is mostly nitrogen gas, and the sunlight is composed of light from many different wavelengths. So when the light from the sunlight goes through the atmosphere, the nitrogen gas bounces off most of the rays of blue light. The diameter of a nitrogen gas molecule is similar to the wavelength of blue light, and that's the reason why the sky is blue.
Para sa mga dagdag na video tulad nito, i-like at i-follow kami sa Spacetime Events and Exhibits.